Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Students, today we are continuing and starting with our new fourth chapter of Indian Economic Development of Class 12th. The name of chapter you are already seeing on my whiteboard is poverty. Very common and very popular and very serious topic in today's era. So, before starting this chapter, first I would like to discuss about poverty. Poverty is a peculiar problem from which various countries of the world have been suffering. There cannot be common definition for poverty which can be broadly accepted everywhere. Broadly, it can be said poverty refers to a state in which an individual is unable to fulfill even the basic necessities of the life. So, now who are poor? Poverty is a great curse on humanity. A poor person lives a wretched life as he is unable to enjoy the barest necessary of life, which makes him morally degraded. He cannot conduct himself as a human being. The treatment that he gets from the society demoralizes him. So poverty is a harsh reality for a large section of Indian population. Poverty in India has been studied from 2 points: urban and rural. In urban, pushcart vendors, street cobblers, rag pickers, beggars comprises of urban poor. They possess few assets. They reside in kacha hutments, roof made up of grass, bamboo, wood, etc. Poorest of them do not even have such dwellings. The urban poor are largely the overflow of the rural poor who are migrated to urban areas. Now, in a rural area, poor people include landless, agricultural laborers, cultivator with very small land holding. Landless laborers engaged in variety of non-agricultural jobs or tenant cultivator with small land holdings. Now, what are the common features or characteristics for a poor? First is hunger, starvation and malnutrition. Starvation and hunger are the basic problem of the poorest household. Then comes poor health. They are generally physically weak due to ill health, disability or serious illness. They have got limited economic opportunities. They have very limited economic opportunity due to lack of literacy and skill. Debt trap. They borrow money from landholders who charges high rate of interest that push them into a chronic indebtedness. Then comes lack of power and water supply. Most poor households do not have access to electricity. Their primary cooking fuel is firewood and cow dung cakes. A large section of poor people do not even have access to safe drinking water. Sixth is gender inequality. A gender inequality prevails within the family in regard to the participation of gainful employment, education and in decision making. Poor women receive less care on their way to motherhood. Now the last point, which is the chief characteristic of the poor, is bigger families. The poor families are bigger in size, which make their economic condition more and more worse. So students, in 5-year plan have also gave stress on the upliftment of poor people and achieving a minimum standard of living for all. However, poverty is still one of the most serious and chronic problem from which the country is suffering. Poverty is a challenge not only for India but for the entire world, as more than 1/5 of world poor, we can say more than 276 million people live in India alone and are unable to meet even their basic needs. Once again, I repeat this important data. Poverty is challenge not only for India but for the entire world, as more than 1/5 of the world's poor, we can say 276 million people lives in India alone and are unable to meet even the basic needs of life, that is food, clothes and shelter. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice